Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change margin size in MS Word document. So first of all, open MS Word. Now click on Layout. Here is the option Margins. Click on it. Now select margin size as your requirement. And also you can set some custom margin size like this. It's normal, narrow, white, and also you can set some custom margin size. You can change top, left, gutter, bottom size, and you can select portrait or landscape. And after all the customize, click on OK. That's it. So by this easy and simple setting, you can change margin size in MS Word document. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.